Koi ping, koi dai, gacha mot, gacha lor. Chak chol, chak pol. Welcome to lesson 2, Dinka English translation. Here we are going to learn some words of Dinka and then change them into English. Lesson 2, Dinka English translation words. Pal, knife. Pal, knives. Shin, that is shin. Hen, chin. Hands, by, belly, bay, villages. For example, if you want to spell by, you do like this: ba, e, by. Bay, villages. Meat, shall. Meat, shall. Meat. Children. Num. Head. This is supposed to be name. Heads. Nya, girl. Near, girls. Near, raw, hippo. Road, apples. Tick, woman. Dear, women. Much, man. Roar, men. Run, run, person. Coach, people. Coach. Wing, cow. Hawk, cows. Foot, earths. Piat qua, our earths. Shock, anger. Shock,